performance mixed with our 330-5, our 300 kVA solution for critical sites. 300 kVA, 240 kilowatts, plenty of power when it matters the most. Under the canopy is a Cummins 6LTAA 9.5. Proven serviceable and made for uptime. Paired with Arizona LSA 46.3 alternator. Smooth voltage and clean output. Control is easy with ESE 7320. Diagnostics, protections, and easy control with your fingertips. Big fuel tank, 1,250 liters, that translates to roughly 24 hours continuous at typical load. The canopy is galvanized for extra corrosion resistance, and yes, we can paint it to match your sites. With ATS and easy paralleling, this VC330-5 switches to backup power or runs in parallel for redundancy, exactly what hospitals need. Look closer, neat wiring, accessible service points, and solid view. DMS or visit our sites for specs and quotes.